class we had created a code bug database. Okay. First, if whenever you are opening your MySQL editor, first you have to use that database. Okay, that is code bug. Okay, first you have to write use code bug query. After executing this, okay, it is, if you observe here, it is showing green color mark. So we are using code bug. Now I need to create table. I need to create table. Which table I need to create? Employee, create table, create table, table name. What is the table name? Employee. Okay, employee table name. I need three columns. ID is integer value, and one more name. Name is varchar. Okay, varchar of, I will give size is 50. I will give size is 50. Next, place is also varchar. Place is also varchar of 40. Varchar of 40. Varchar of 40. Now, if you execute this query, what it will happen? It will create one table. It will create one table. Okay, table is created. Now I need to check whether table was created or not. Okay, how to check? How to check? Select. Okay, select is a DRL command for getting data. Select star from what is the table name? Employee. Star from employee. Okay, if you execute this part, you will get one table. Okay, which table you will get? Employee table. Okay, observe here, you get one empty table. Now I need to insert some data into a table. I need to insert some data into a table. How to for inserting data? What is the keyword? First you have to use insert keyword. Next, into, where I need to insert employee. Insert into employee. Okay, values of first data I need to insert. One, total how many columns? Three columns. One Raja, one Raja. Next one is place Bangalore. Bangalore. Okay. Name Raja and Bangalore. Now I will execute this query. I will execute this query. Once I execute this query, it is executed successfully. Okay. Now I need to check whether inserted or not. Again, select star from employee. Now you will observe here. First data, one Raja, Bangalore. Okay. Now I need to insert one more data. I need to insert one more data. Okay. At the single shot only, I need to insert data. Okay. In that, after writing this, again you can enter one more data. 3 Veena, 3 Veena and Hyderabad. 3 Veena and Hyderabad. Okay. Now I had written one more record. In a single query, I am inserting two people data. In a single query, I am inserting two people data. Okay. Now execute here. Once I executed this, 1 minute. Okay, each the person data we have separated with com. Okay, now execute this part. Now execute this part. Select this part and execute. Now I need to check whether inserted or not. Whether inserted or not, I need to check. Execute. Okay, now inserted three people records. Now observe here carefully once, and I will insert one more record. I will insert one more record. I will insert one more record. Okay, I will give 4. I will give 4, and I will not give any name for value. Okay, insert 4. I will not give any name. Okay, now execute. After here, you are getting error. Column count does not match with value count at row 1. Now, how many columns is there? 3 columns. But how many values is there? Only 2 values. For that reason, it is throwing error. In this case, how to give? You have to mention insert into employee. Okay, what is the first column name? ID. What is the first column name? ID. Next column name. What is the next column name? Name. Next column name. Name. Okay. Next values of Raja 4. Now I will execute this. I will execute this. It is executed. Now I will check whether data inserted or not. Whether data inserted or not. Okay. Observe here. For the data, name Raja and place is null. Like this, you can insert single record or multiple record, or particularly for selected columns only, we can insert data. Okay. Now we have one more way will be there for inserting data. We have one more way for inserting the data using union all also. Using union all. Now how to insert? Insert into insert into employee. Insert into employee. After that, select. Okay. Insert into employee. Select first data means already 3 columns completed. Next 4, 3 people data completed. I will give 4 also completed, right? Okay, no problem. If you want, you can give one more time. Okay, 5 Sita, 5 Sita. Next Chennai, Chennai. Next Chennai. Okay, now 1% data is completed. Union all, union, union all. Okay, next again I need to select one more data is 6 Vignesh, Vignesh. Next Pune, Vignesh, Pune. Finish Pune. Now close this. Okay, like this, if you want any number of records, you can write. Okay, again, if you want to insert one more data means again union all you can write and you can give. Okay, next completed. I will execute this part, select this part and execute. Okay, now I need to check whether data inserted or not. I need to check data is inserted or not. Now, if you observe here, one more data is also inserted. Raja, Rajesh, Veena, Sita, Sita, Vignesh. All people data is inserted. Now, observe here carefully once. We need to update the data. I need to update the data. Okay, which data I need to update? But if I am using particularly place entire, okay, I will update first. If you want to update means you have to use update, update. Okay. Next, after updating, you have to write update. What is the table name? Employee. Update. Where I need to update? Employee table only. Set. Set. Place is equal to set. Place is equal to okay. Chennai. Set. Place is equal to Chennai. Okay. Set. Place is equal to Chennai. Update employee means employee table. We are updating where place is a column name. Okay. We are keeping Chennai. Now execute. Initially, what is the places? Bangalore, Hyderabad, Null and Chennai. Now execute this query. Okay. You are getting some values. Okay. Now select this query. Select this query. And you have to check whether it is updated all places or not. Okay. Now observe here, all places is updated. Okay. Like this, you can update single thing. Okay. If you want to update only single value, if you want to update only single value, again same thing. Okay. Update employee set place is equal to Bangalore. Set place is equal to Bangalore. Where? Okay. Where is a class? Later we will learn more about these classes. Where id where id is equal to 3. Okay, now what is this query? Update employee means in employee table we are updating. Okay, place is equal to Bangalore, where id is equal to 3. Okay, where id is now, as of now, in id place is 3. At place, what is the place? At id 3, Chennai is the place. Okay, now I need to modify this one. I need to modify. Okay, now select this query and I execute. Now I will check whether it is modified or not. It is modified. Okay, it is modified to Bangalore. Now at the same time I need to change with Raja place. Raja place I need to change with Pune. Raja place I need to change with Pune. Okay. Now update employee set place is equal to Pune. Pune. Where what is the column name? Name is equal to where name is equal to Raja. Where name is equal to Raja. Wherever name is Raja, all those places it will modify. Okay. Now I select this query, and I execute. It is successfully executed and set star from employee. Now execute. Then now observe here, Raja place is changed to Pune. Okay. Like this, you have to update any data based on some conditions. If you are not giving any condition means that entire column, it will change. Okay. Next, delete. Next, delete. Now, how to delete only single record? How to delete one single record? If you delete only one single record means first you have to write delete keyword, delete employee, delete employee. Okay, where delete employee, where ID is equal to where ID is equal to 5. Now, who is available at 5? Here, delete employee, delete from employee, not delete employee, delete from employee, because from employee where ID is equal to 5. At 5, which place, who is the person? Sita is the person. Okay, delete from employee where ID is equal to 5. Okay, now select this and execute this query. Now I need to check whether data is available or not. Okay, which data we have deleted? Sita data. Now Sita name is available or not? Name is not available. Next, how to delete data from employee table. Select this query, delete from employee, select, execute this one. Now I need to check whether data is deleted or not. Okay, select this one and execute. Now what is the data is present inside the table? We don't have any data. Means if you are using data delete from table means it will execute, it will delete entire data. Delete based on conditions. Delete from employee table where ID is equal to 5 means only fifth index position data it will delete. Like this, we can delete data from the table, or we can update data from table, and we can insert data into the tables. Sometimes update and delete it will not work. Okay, when it will not work, first set SQL underscore save underscore updates, okay, is equal to 1. Okay, is equal to 1. This is just for security purpose. Okay, if you execute this one, it is executed. Okay, now I will insert two people persons data. I will insert two people data. Okay, two people data inserted. Select star from employee. Okay, now data I have. Now I will update the data. Update place where ID is equal to 4. Where ID is equal to 4. Okay, means I need to update ID value 4. Wherever ID is 4, that person place I need to change to Bangalore. Okay, now I will execute. Select this one and execute. You will not get, you are getting error because set SQL safe update mode is on. Okay, because of security purpose. Okay, by default it will be on. Okay, so you have to set as 0. First you have to write this query, set safe underscore SQL underscore safe underscore updates, means your update safe mode is off. Okay, click on execute this one. Once executed, if you are selecting this query, if you select this query and update and click on this part, now it will work. Okay, now see data is changed or not. It is changed. Okay, like this we can update the data, we can delete the data, and we can modify the data. Okay, here I had given some assignment questions. Try to practice those questions. Once practiced into notebook, after that entered into workbench. Okay, once it completed, you can take a picture and send to codebug 15 @gmail.com. Okay, you can send your answers to this email ID. I will give a reply. Okay.